What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. I know you guys are probably looking at this probably after I posted the unbox from my buddy Sammy, and yes, this is still going to King Nut. I just need to give this to him. But anyways, guys, I went to my antique mall that I normally go to about every week or every other week, and I actually found some good loose cars. But before we get to that, I found some of these swept sides. I actually gave one of these to the customizer in that box I gave him, but I picked up one to keep carded and one I'm actually going to customize. I kind of want to make it a lowrider or maybe a chopped hot rod. I don't know which plan it is because I'm behind like 5 different types of custom, so that's why I bought 2 of those. And then if you saw on my Instagram as well as my YouTube channel, I actually posted this tampo error. It actually is missing the red stripes as well as the red box that outlines the number 20. But I actually think it looks a lot better in my opinion. I think the blue looks very cool. I think it would have been awesome to find one without any tampos. But still pretty cool. So like I said, I went to go pick up some loose castings. I did find these 2 first editions right here. You have the Panaz LMP1 in red enamel. Check this out. This is actually the first edition for this car. I absolutely love this. It's got the chrome lace wheels, the number 11, the Le Mans tampo right there on the side, the American Le Mans series, and then of course you have the American flag with the number 11 running down the front. Check this out. This is a really nice casting. This Lancia Stratos, which is also a first edition car, check it out. You have the nice metallic green stripe with the white and silver stripes as well. You got the gold split PR5s. Look at this casting. This is really nice. I did have the mystery model one and I gave it away. I think I might want to get my hands on it again because this is actually a really nice casting. Maybe it's just the red and of course the colors that are on it that I really like, but definitely wanted to get that. So you got 2 of the first editions right here. I did pick up a loose 1962 Mustang concept, only because I don't have any loose. The red ones, all the other ones that I've had, I actually found these in store at the time they were released and never picked up any duplicates. So wanted to get this one loose as well. This was only $1, so thought why not. And I also picked up the 911 GT3 Cup in a metallic orange, or it's a pearlescent orange if you look on Fandom. But it's got the blue interior, the Hot Wheels deco with the number 1, and of course the 3-spoke wheels. I also found this really cool 59 Impala. Check this out. You have a nice horse and sheriff's deco right there, but it is a really nice metallic brown. And you have the sheriff star with the Hot Wheels. Of course you have the gold 5 spokes and the gold base. Check this out. This is a wicked cool Impala right here. Love these type of body styles. Look at that. Also picked up this Klossner Touring. It's a California special or California edition release of the BMW, I think it's an 8 series, in this really loud neon yellow. You got the gold 3-spoked wheels. And yeah, I definitely wanted to pick that up. And then this one, guys, this is actually a Matchbox Carmen Ghia. Check this out. It's in a yellow enamel. This one I'm actually going to restore since I do have this yellow. When I do, it just won't have the license plate, but I do want to do a restore on it and get it nice and shiny and re-detailed. So this is going to be far down on the list as well as my restore, because the next one I'm doing is the 300ZX, which is sitting right here. I'm actually working with the color I'm going to be using. You can see I'm doing a test on the twin mill. I'm using this right here, the metal cast anodized coating. It's a color coat, super clean. I think Honest Diecast actually used this for his Porsche GT3 Super Clone. So it's actually coming out really nice. This is the tuned twin mill that I had polished up, and yeah, a couple more coats. Maybe some wet sanding to get a nice mirror finish, but I really wanted to just test out that finish. So when I do restore it, it's going to be in this color. So I think that's going to look very nice. Then this one's just a fantasy car. It just came in the Ziploc. Don't really care for it, so it's probably going to be a wheel donor or just gifted away. I don't know. Last but not least, guys, this Oldsmobile Aurora. It's actually a purple, but on camera it looks blue. It's got the 7-spoke wheels. Now the cool thing about this, yes, it's a Hot Wheels casting, but this actually came out of the McDonald's 2001 playset series. So when you look on the bottom, it just says 93 Warner. It doesn't have the Oldsmobile licensing to it. So I thought this was really cool. I was trying to find more info on it. A lot of blogs and a lot of stuff on the internet was saying this is a hard to find cast. So I'm glad I kind of just stumbled across it. So I picked that up. Right here we got a package, and this is from Old Man Diecast. And I can't wait to open it. So let's go ahead and get straight to it. Now this was in his last video, or one of his last videos. And I commented on it like, man, I really like this casting. And he was nice enough to send it my way. So Pete, thanks so much. So it says, hey Mustang Hunter, hope you are well. Here is the car you asked about. Please accept it as a very small token of my appreciation for what you do in the diecast community. With that said, I would like to personally thank you for your service. Wish the car was in better shape, but I have not had time to do anything to it. Old Man Diecast 2021. Awesome, man. Now I know you said it's not in good condition, and that is exactly what I wanted, because I wanted a project car. So here we go, guys. Look at this. It is the Pantera. Oh yeah, this thing needs a lot of TLC. And this is an old Matchbox, super fast. Look at that, out of England, 1975. That is super cool. So it's the number 8 Del Tomaso Pantera. If you guys haven't checked out a Pantera, these things are wicked cool and super ahead of its time for its era. I mean, you're talking 70s for a car that looks like this. That is very nice looking for that time period. But I really wanted to get my hands on this so I can restore it. I might go back to white, I don't know, might get some nice wheels on it. But this is definitely a cast that I'm gonna have to really take my time on, because look at that. It's got 3 rivets. You got 1 in the front, 2 in the rear. So this could be very finicky, could be very time consuming. It does have a split window right there, but that is awesome. So Pete, thanks so much for sending that. Let me just make sure. Okay, yes, I'm glad he only sent that. So, but yeah guys, that is pretty much it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I know this video is pretty short, but there it is, guys. Couple first editions, a loose 62 concept, the Porsche 911 GT3 Cup, the 59 Impala, the BMW 8 Series, the Carmen Ghia, the Pantera, which is awesome, and the Oldsmobile Aurora from McDonald's, and of course these right here. So, and also when I went to O'Reilly's, I finally got my hands on the Eclipse. So these are all the premium Fast and Furious cars I have. They are steadily growing. I do have the Lykan Hypersport over there, the Fast and the Furious 92 Fox, and I think that's the only other Fast and the Furious ones I have. All the other ones are other series. Again, Old Man Diecast, thank you so much for sending me that one cast. That is awesome. And check it out, we got a ladybug, or whatever this is. That is not a ladybug, that is a weird beetle. It's got 2 spots. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.